You're probably wondering how I got into the situation. And I just wanted to be clean. So, you do get lockers at this place. You get a towel to cover up. You get some slippers. We're gonna see how this Turkish bath goes. And this is the towel that you get. First place, we are in a sauna here. I don't know what's gonna happen next. Very confused right now. Wonder if I'm gonna be abused within the next 5 minutes or the next 10 minutes. I don't know. And then I'm here with an Italian.
Hi.
So I'm getting ready to have my first Turkish bath here in Cappadocia. And I'm super excited. Just look up at the ceiling. This is so beautiful. And this is where I'm going to have my bath at. Apparently they're super aggressive, so let's see how aggressive it is here in Cappadocia. Okay, so now I am showering after that bath, and it felt so good, so good. Definitely worth it. Okay, so we are in the salt room now, and it's so refreshing after the steam room. If you can't take the steam room like me and him, salt room is your thing. So what are you thinking about this Turkish bath so far?
It's been kind of a rough journey, but I like this place. It's super nice. Yeah, here is relaxing. I think it's actually relaxing.
And if you're wondering his story, he's Italian, but he actually stays in Germany right now. And I think that's what's so fascinating about meeting Europeans whenever they leave their country and they go work somewhere else or live somewhere else. It's honestly something that I feel like, it's honestly something that's just refreshing to hear that people are being people and living in other countries that they were not born in. If you're wondering if it actually is salt, like you can see the salt build up. It's crazy. I would not lick it though if you're trying to, live to 100 years old. Okay, so now we are in the jacuzzi, and honestly, this is nice. So you get a Turkish bath, right? A Turkish bath. They scrub you down. They really give you a nice, good massage and pop everything. And then you get a shower, sauna, salt room, steam room, and then just the jacuzzi, like, so beautiful inside. Say that again.
I'm not gonna go back to Europe.
And I'm not gonna go back to Texas. Like, this feels so rejuvenating, just relaxing, and honestly feels like a simpler time back when everyone would go to a bathhouse with each other and just get clean and feel relaxed afterwards.
If you PayPal me and you just support my stay in Turkey, I will be super happy, so I can live forever here.
I can't say if you should give him money or not, because this is Davion West's YouTube channel. But if you guys feel it in your heart, you can find him on Instagram somewhere. So we just completed the Turkish bath. You need to come to this place when you're here in Cappadocia, Göreme. And if you're asking yourself, should you do a Turkish bath? The answer is yes. Experience the culture while you're here in Turkey, and honestly, you'll feel very rejuvenated and clean.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun.